Hi everyone, welcome to the Dollar Tree. Let's see what they have, guys. Okay, so at the very entrance here, we have some of these. Aren't they adorable? Okay, and then we have some paper bags and some little mini boxes. And look, they even have the little treat bags with the truck. And this one says it's the most wonderful time of the year, and here is the gingerbread. Along the bottom there, you have some tissue paper and some bigger bags. Okay, now this is the first time at this Dollar Tree, or any of the Dollar Trees by my house, that I've seen this. North Pole Tree Farm. Then you have Santa Stop here. Look at that one. These are all new to my Dollar Tree here, guys. And look, this is the first time I've seen the peace sign with peace on earth. And that one says joy to the world. So these boxes over here say warm wishes. I believe in the magic of Christmas, seasons, greetings. And I think this sign here, this little guy here, is new. So the camper is back. Then this house believes in Santa. And then we have these signs here. And the jingle all the way, that's not new. Okay, so then we have happy holidays. And then the red truck. And I think this may be new too, in the shape of a light bulb. Merry Bright. Here's the sleigh and here's Santa. Let me back up so you can see the rest of the signs. And I'm loving that gnome for holidays. And this, I think this is really cool. This ornament sign. And then here are the bells. Along the bottom you have this tinsel decor, and it's pretty big. This one is the truck, and then there's the house right there. Here's the snowman and the penguin, and here's the Christmas tree. I thought these are really cool. Okay, so there's the there's the camper, and there's the truck, and these are the nutcrackers and the penguin and the candy cane. And then these are the ornaments. These are really pretty. I'm really liking these. These are so nice. And here it is in a different shape. So they have a few new items. All along the bottom you have the ornaments, and here's some candy canes. And then look, they have, those are huge jumbo bags for gifts. And then they have 'Tis the Season, Deck the Halls. They place this over here with the ornaments. And look, the boxes are set up over here too. So these are pretty nice. Those are really nice. And then here are the rest of the ornaments. And this ballerina over here, she's new. And I think it's in two shapes. So you have that one, and then you have this one. Very beautiful. And then here are the rest of the containers. Okay, so these are the stackable plastics. So they're just a little bit smaller than the ones at Dollar General, but they're still $1. And see, and they're stackable. I love those. Then you have the tins. And they do have some new ones, because I don't remember this one here. North Pole Tree Farm. And candy cane. These are the smaller ones. The mailbox ones. Very nice. Okay, and then we have some florals over here along with the picks. Okay, so we have some Santa Claus socks. Very pretty. Then we have the little bags, and this one says Merry Christmas. And look, I think in between here is that buffalo check. Then you have some window clings, and that's what these look like. These are new. I don't remember these last year. Nope, I don't remember those last year. And here's some more, the gel clings. And these are nice for the wall art. I don't remember the wall art last year, at least here at this Dollar Tree. And here's the door cover. There's the felt snowman, and there's the felt Santa. Here's the stake with the camper, and there's the Santa Claus and the reindeer. The door knockers. These are so beautiful. And here's the red truck. Isn't that nice? Along the top you have some bells and you have some Christmas trees, and then these guys are all the bows. Okay, so over here you have the winter village. It's the size of that gnome. This is a very big gnome, guys, for $1. So here we have this one. Then we have the antique shop. And I think this one's new too. Okay. We have a lot of them, and look at these. Oh, let's look at these. Okay, so this one is the gray one. I like the gray one. And here's the red one. These are nice size. Let's go see what else they have. So we have the garland ties, and then the tube mesh, and then we have the initial ornaments and the mini ones. Here are the bells, and then these are the mini ones. These are the giant ones, and then these are the bulb fillers. Those are vase fillers, and here are the pom-poms. So here's the ribbon. And just go ahead and scan that for you. Okay, these are really nice. Look at this one. So they have the sequins. Here's some more. Here's some garland. And here's some deco mesh. Foam scatter. Vase filler. Very pretty. So you have the bulbs along the bottom. The little mini garlands. And here are the foam sheets. And look, they even have the tube, the noodles in the Christmas colors. So here we have some ribbon. There we have some LED Christmas lights.
Okay, so I already got white snow.
So here's the little Christmas buckets, and look, snow spray. And here is the ceramic ornaments, and here are the stockings they can color in, and the totes. And here is the truck. Here's the Santa. These are tea lights, and those are the Christmas trees. These are the plastic buckets in the sleigh shape, and those over there are some more ribbon. Okay, so you have the wooden stickers. Look at these stickers. The little drums. Peace on Earth. Merry and bright, let it snow. Some extension cords. Look how cute. This is a tea light. And then these tea lights. These lanterns in the red and the blue. And there's the wooden Santa. Here's the little tree skirts for the mini trees. Okay, guys, so we have some more ornaments here. The mini trees in the white and the green. They're the bulbs that come in gold, silver, red, and I think they might have green. And then those are the tree skirts and some little mini ornaments. Look at these ornaments right here, or these bells. These are decorative bells. They can be little ornaments, and then they even have the little gift ones. Here's the tree toppers, and here are the little trucks. Some of them are missing the trees. I don't know why. Then you have the berries right along here. So guys, thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree to check out their Christmas decor, and I'll see you in the next video.